Through conversations with our MDA collaborators, they highlighted that often they have issues with the fit and the length of garments, especially since a lot of them are wheelchair users.
A common problem I have with wearing maxi dresses is that they always get caught in my wheelchair wheels.
All my off-the-shoulder shirts, they tend to ride up on this shoulder and go down on this shoulder just because of the curvature of my spine and because of my scoliosis.
Garments often seem baggy and too long on them.
I have really small ankles, so when I wear a pair of jeans, it's kind of big, and so I have to cuff it.
So this is a baggier shirt to begin with, and it's supposed to be, stylishly baggy, but it almost kind of looks like a potato sack eye.
Such garments can be bothersome, particularly during mobilizing, toileting, and transfers.
So Team 2's hack consists of using a drawstring pulley attached by fabric adhesive as an easy way to adjust the proportions of a garment that already exists.
The pulley system has the potential to cinch excess material often found in long dresses and skirts.
This hack can be applied to almost any garment without having to have bespoke pieces made.
The idea initially started as just a cord lock and drawstring that could be applied into the hems or side seams of garments, but for greater practicality we decided to put it into a fabric casing.
It comes already assembled and constructed,
so that when the user is applying it to a garment, all they have to do is peel off the fabric adhesive tape and then stick it down to wherever they want the garment to be adjusted.
All you have to do is pull this part and it cinches up a little bit.
When the pulley system is cinched, the cord becomes long and can hang down. We decided to create a button adhesive to attach to the garment or the pulley system in order to wrap the cord around to prevent it from catching or hanging down. The pulley system, as you can see, has minimal demands for the user. The cord lock requires minimal hand strength in order to maneuver. And if the user has decreased dexterity, they are able to utilize their wrist or arm to simply tighten, as you can see.
Co-design was a really important part of working with our collaborators, as it allowed them to feel a greater sense of ownership over their clothing and gave them a chance to bring their own sense of style and personality into the fray. The hack can be used on the inside or the outside of garments, and it was really important for our collaborators that they had the choice of whether they wanted the hack to be visible or not. And because it's adjustable, you can adjust it then and pull it back down when you don't need it.
Throughout our development process, our co-designers and MDA collaborators, they had a lot of fun with personalizing the little plastic cord locks that go on the ends of them, and they each had their own way to paint and decorate them. We also had a lot of fun looking at colors as a way that it could be a statement on the outside of a garment and really change the silhouette. So we decided to create this hack in 3 different lengths. The shortest one is 8 inches, and then we have one that's 13 inches, and then one that is 18 inches. And we decided to go for these 3 different lengths because they provide a little bit of versatility in where you can apply these, where you might need them, where a caregiver might need them. So there's a bit of versatility with how many gathers you get and how much it's bunched in one area and where it's pulling.
So I am going to pull it and show you guys what it looks like. Very cute, very joggerish and in style. One's more of a regular jean and one's more of a jogger type jean.
This is after I put the hack on. As you can see, these are both at the same level, so the hack works and is amazing.
And also what's great about these pulley systems is that it does not hurt or cause any pressure points, so it doesn't cause issues with skin breakdown or anything like that. So now, as you can see, the shirt fits more like a crop top, which is what I was going for.
What I love most about this hack is how easy it is to use, especially when you're in a hurry like me and don't really have any sewing abilities whatsoever. Plus, it easily blends into the dress like this, so it doesn't take away from the fashion side of it.
Fashion is so centred around the stationary standing body that it fails to recognise ways of designing that consider people with different body postures. So whether the person has a hunched posture from conditions such as scoliosis, or they're seated in a wheelchair, in a car, or simply working from home, there has to be a shift in how we approach the design process to allow for people with these different body postures to be included.